Link Property Services is pleased to offer for sale 21 Amax Avenue, Girraween, a functional freestanding building of circa 1,600 square metres in central Western Sydney. The property has immediate access to the Great Western Highway, is a mere 2.7 kilometres to Pendle Hill Railway Station, and the same distance to both the M4 Prospect Highway interchange as well as the M4 Cumberland Highway interchange. 21 Amax Avenue is conveniently located and ideally positioned for both owner-occupiers and/or investors. The property comprises a modern, full-height concrete industrial development on land measuring 3,084 square metres. The improvements are divided into 3 self-contained units comprising office, warehouse and amenity areas. The entire property is leased to Ostmont Catering Equipment on a monthly basis, paying $17,719 per month net, with outgoings payable by the lessee. As a purchaser, you have multiple options. The building can be fully occupied by an owner, or part occupied by an owner and part leased out, or fully leased out by an investor. There is also the ability to add further value to the property by considering a strata subdivision of the building into 3 strata units, subject to council approval. 21 Amax Avenue, Girraween will be auctioned on Thursday the 22nd of September and will be sold as a going concern. Please call Link Property Services for further details or an inspection.